So how do you determine the best wireless headphones from a whole bunch of products in the market? Today's video will give you an idea of the one you need to select. The Bose Quietcomfort 35 bags the 5th position. It features world-class noise cancelling that makes quiet sound quieter and music sound better. They give you 20-hour battery life per charge and up to 40 hours in wired mode. Also has wireless convenience with easy Bluetooth and NFC pairing aided by voice prompts. The noise-rejecting dual microphone system ensures clear calls even in windy environments. Next up is the Skullcandy Grind. The Grind Wireless lets you take more phone calls and rock late into the night with 12 hours of battery life and the wire-free wonderfulness of Bluetooth streaming. Premium materials like the solid metal headband, plush on your pillow, and supreme sound audio make slipping into Grind Wireless such a comfortable experience. Play and pause music, answer and end calls, skip tracks, and adjust the volume with just 3 buttons. The Sony Mdr 1000XC secures the 3rd place. You can hear music at its best with high-resolution audio and wireless connectivity. Listen to music longer with up to 20 hours of battery life. Also, isolate yourself from external noise with industry-leading noise cancellation. It allows you to control everything by touch with easy touch controls. At number 2, we have the Samsung Level On. The Samsung Level On wireless headphone offers both wired and wireless headphones. The soft, breathable earpads and headband cushion allows hours of listening with a convenient fold-up design for easy transport. Level On Wireless also features active noise cancellation, built-in NFC pairing, and premium aptX sound technology for a superior listening experience. At the top of the list, we have the Sennheiser Momentum 2.0. Bluetooth technology frees you from wires, while NoiseGuard hybrid active noise cancellation virtually eliminates unwanted ambient sound, further enhancing the audio experience. New, slightly larger ear cups using ergonomically designed leather-covered memory foam cushions provide extreme comfort for long listening sessions. Momentum Wireless lets you experience crystal clear Momentum sound without a cable. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to share your valuable comments. If you like our video, give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to watch other great videos. Have a great day.